Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're on our way to a car show. We missed the one last year, but they had some really nice cars. I'm hoping they show up again this year, so I can't wait to see them. Hopefully they're there. I'm praying. Eric's not with me today. He's back at home. He had some family outing to go to today, so it to be all by myself, and I get to check out really nice cars. I hope those cars are there, because Eric's gonna be so jealous, and I'm gonna rub it in his face this whole video. Alright, let's get over there, guys. Alright, Eric's gonna be pissed. Good buddy Rick's at 40. Oh, someone forgot their roof. I know a guy that has one laying on some trash cans that they could use. But Steve brought the Pagani, the Senna. There's another Senna. I've seen this one before. Alright, I'm crossing the tracks, going back to the other side. I went through here already with my good buddy Rick. The actual guy that drives out at 40. We're talking about cars a little bit. But it's starting to rain a little bit more. There's a few STOs here, a couple of Gallardos, a couple of Vendors, Huracans, a few Ferraris. Let's take a walk through the Ferraris. Starting off with the Pista. We got this one here. Sexy. Oh yeah, us too. The purple one. Ooh. That is the F8. Alright, so apparently this is Steve's SF90 here. We got a Ford Roma. Oh, this is a section. This is the yellow spec. No, but this is a nice spec. I like the gray with the yellow. This is really nice. Ford Roma. Let's give that to Ferraris. So far, this is a pretty good turnout, even though it's raining. They're playing the music over, so we're gonna go into a montage. cry. You're just gonna cry, Eric. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Started raining more, raining on and off. But other than that, it's been a really great car show. Till next time guys, stay humble and Eric, eat your heart out. I've seen GTR F1. Later.